For weeks, the team has been hard at work getting the ultimate Gaming Firetruck ready for WHALE LAN. And as you can see, it might just be the coolest vehicle upgrade that we have ever done.
But that clip you saw was in the future, and right now is the present. And as you can see, there is so much left to do. And I'm genuinely so tired of seeing the Firetruck every time I freaking close my eyes.
But we can do it.
Yeah!
Let's get her done, boys.
Yeah!
This is the big finale before I get to drive it over to WHALE LAN.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
And it's all thanks to AMD, who sponsored all of our Firetruck content. You can check out their best-in-class gaming CPUs and their incredible GPUs at the link in the video description.
All right, boys, WHALE LAN tomorrow. How are we feeling?
Tired.
Oh man, this has been a number of weeks.
What do we want to finish up first? I guess the 4v4 gaming setup?
Yeah, we'll get that finished off, and then let's do some cable management because there's so many cables.
So many cables! Okay, let's go.
To kind of spice it up back here a little bit, the plain stainless steel aesthetic wasn't looking too nice. We had some extra D-brand vinyl laying around. However, we didn't have enough to do the whole thing, so we had to kind of split up into two, but I think it kind of adds to the whole vibe of it, you know?
And the two-tone really works because we have RGB strips behind our TVs, and we have one side set to red, one side set to blue, so that you get a real clear distinction which station is which, tied to which PC, tied to which controllers. And so we have these Govee lights, and we have this LG QNED Evo AI 50-inch TV, a perfectly acceptable LED TV. It can do up to 120 hertz at this size. Unfortunately, not at 4K. So we have to make the decision of 4K 60 or 1080p 120. I think we're going 4K 60. But for the kind of games we're playing, that's totally okay. I think that already looks pretty darn good. We've run our cables. We have this custom 3D printed base plate for Power A docks for our Xbox controllers. We have 8 controllers, 4 for each station, and they're gonna go in here on our shelves where our PCs are also gonna go. I guess we gotta build those, don't we?
Obviously, we knew we were going to use AMD components from the beginning, and for our CPU, we've gone with the Ryzen 5 9600X. It's a perfect chip for our use case. Phenomenal cosmic gaming power! Itty-bitty power requirements. It features 6 Zen 5 cores, support for PCIe Gen 5, and high-speed DDR5 memory. And of course, because it uses the AM5 socket, our system will be future-proof. So if AMD releases any future gaming beasts down the road, we should be able to pop them right into our AM5 socket. Speaking of sockets, we went with an ASUS TUF Gaming B850M E Wi-Fi 3 motherboard. It's got premium power delivery along with a built-in I/O shield to make the build just a little bit easier, and this is such a huge bonus. Release latch for the PCIe card. Always nice when you're building in a smaller case. For our memory, we've got a G.Skill 32 gig kit of 6,000 megatransfer per second CL28 memory that we very thankfully got before the shortage. And for our storage, we've got a terabyte 970 Evo Plus that, same story.
Thanks, AI.
For our cooler, we've gone with the Noctua NH-U12S Redux. Same great Noctua quality, lower price. Is this gonna fit in such a small case?
That's the magic of that case.
Oh, yes, it will. The P201 from ASUS is a pretty nice little chassis. Not much taller than even some ITX cases, but plenty of room for a full height tower cooler. For our power supply, we went with a nice, efficient Focus PX 850 from Seasonic, and you'll see why that matters so much later. That just leaves our GPU. We went with the 9070 Non-XT, which might be kind of confusing. I mean, AMD sponsored this video. Surely we could just get them to send us their top of the line, right? Well, we could, but from a performance per watt perspective, this one is actually the most efficient GPU that AMD has ever made, which is a huge deal for us since, spoiler, our stationary deployment when we roll up and park is gonna run off of battery power stations. And besides, it's still got 16 gigs of VRAM with their 3rd generation ray tracing accelerators. It's still got AI acceleration for FSR4 frame generation, and it's still got AMD's other great gaming features like anti-lag, not to mention their latest generation video encoder for better than ever streaming. It's just less XT than the other one. With that done, it's time to button this up and send it back to the boys.
Let's chat a little bit about the networking that we've got here. We don't need much because we essentially just need the two computers to talk to each other, and we've got a Wi-Fi access point mounted up there that we'll use to broadcast just some general Wi-Fi around the truck. We have this Ubiquiti 2.5 gig PoE switch that we're gonna mount right up in here, and that should take care of all of our networking needs. We'll just run a line from here all the way to the building, and we're good to go.
Yeah, walk me through what you've been working on, man.
I've been syncing Supernova to our new light display. I got all the movement in, now I'm just working on kind of colors and stuff like that. After this, I'm gonna start adding the bars as well. But yeah, we've got rotation, we've got prisms, we've got gobos. It's kind of fun. It's gonna look really good once we get some smoke in there. I'm wearing sunglasses because I keep getting hit in the eye and then having to stare at them at the ceiling, and I got giant spots. We're using QLC Plus, which is free open source kind of DMX control software. Got all the lights in here. What we're doing right now is just making a little show. So we've got the music track at the top, and then these ones in red are all our movements, and then the blue ones here are kind of our light programs. We've also done a little virtual console. Because this is a touchscreen, we have kind of direct control over all of our lights. Yeah, it's kind of cool.
Ready to go.
Kind of fun. So we've also got, I think, one of the levers here, which is going to turn on all the smoke.
Ooh.
These will look a lot better once we've, got some smoke in there. And then just, pause this.
Put the sunglasses on. Put them on!
It's not even nighttime.
How many days we got left?
I don't know. I've got
tomorrow.
I've got today.
I'd say that test was pretty successful. We've still got lots to do though, so we're gonna keep going and give the speakers a try. It's still there a little bit. We got some crackles happening in the speakers and we're not really sure where it's coming from, so we're gonna give this little amp a try instead. This guy was supposed to run the subwoofer, but it can also do full range, so just troubleshooting a little bit. We figured out our crackling issue. It ended up being the software clipping. So it was part of the input chain and we've got it fixed now. We're gonna put these speakers in place. What did you guys decide for speakers on this side?
I think we're gonna do like up on these podiums. Like, they fit kind of perfect.
Oh, nice.
The danger is we've already kind of finished those cabinets, so I'm worried about metal shaving, so I'm just gonna try and catch it with the cardboard box.
Sure.
Yeah. Oh! A single speaker? Yeah. Brother, let's go! I was really worried that these outdoor speakers we got were gonna be like pretty good for playing music loudly. Nah, this is gonna be drawing a crowd from like 3 blocks away. We freaking nailed it! We're here at Smash Champs with our final deployment. We're freaking here. The last sort of thing to really sort out is our lighting, which is the top. We have these milk crates that the lights are gonna go on. We have our V-topper lights and the DJ program that Dan programmed. So we have lots of work left to do. So I'm gonna stop talking and start working because I already am behind. One thing we are trying untested is our greatest surprise, the Wacky Inflatable Tube Man. It just arrived. I have no freaking idea how this is gonna turn out. If we have enough power to do this thing. A minimum of 15 feet around the blower. What's the worst that could happen? The instruction manuals were like not really helpful. There's Velcro on the inside here. There's Velcro on the other side here. I think it's just yeah. I think even a dumbass like me can figure this one out.
Oh, that guy's tiny.
Oh, am I plugged in here? Oh, I'm off here. Oh, I love him so much. That concludes this short circuit segment of a wacky inflatable tube man. Hi, boys.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Everything.
Oh my goodness, what is this? Okay.
This is the Nebula X1 Pro outdoor projector, an all-in-one solution. We were originally gonna build the projector into the side of the truck. Nothing really exists for sound. That's the problem. This thing has it all. 7.1.4 audio built in. That being said, we were gonna deploy it earlier, but it's been raining all freaking day. And so we're gonna YOLO it in the rain right before everyone comes out to test this.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay, so what, we gotta move this then?
Let's move the screen.
Okay.
You need to be about 13 to 20 feet, I believe, for the throw distance.
Okay.
That's because we have a 200-inch blow-up screen.
Oh my goodness. That's probably good there.
Okay.
Should I plug this in and should we go for it?
Yeah, we just go, boys.
Did you mention this is 3,500 lumens?
What?
So it may actually work for a screen this size.
Yeah.
How do you think it's gonna do with the natural dimming zones?
Don't overthink it. This is the day WHALE LAN is, so this is what we've got to work with.
Rear speakers go up on top of the fire truck.
What? The rear speakers are like in it?
Yeah, it's all built in,
That's so cool.
isn't it?
Okay, and are we signed into anything?
Nope.
YouTube.
YouTube, we can only play our videos for legal reasons.
Yes.
Wait, do you wanna do that from the best seat in the house?
Ah, what is happening right now? Oh, the speaker!
Whoa.
Okay, connecting. Oh, dude, what?
Get in, best seat of the house.
We have a hammock?
Oh yeah,
How the devil am I? You know what? I got an idea.
from the top?
Okay. No, I'm good. Oh God. This is a very wet hammock.
Let's serve you a little bit of all the good stuff. We got our popcorn machine.
Shut up. We have a popcorn maker?
Oh yeah, we do. Here you go, sir.
Wow, it's hot. No, it's not. It's relatively hot compared
Want
to my
some
hand.
snacks?
I'm good on the popcorn, thank you.
Oh, do you wanna do the do? Do you think you could watch a whole LTT video from there?
I could. I don't think we're going to because of the rain.
We're investing in our communities, where we work, live.
Holy crap! That might just be an ad, but wow! That's crazy!
This is far from the ideal viewing situation, but it both looks and sounds very good.
I am blown away by how good it sounds,
Yeah.
considering that we're on a concrete slab in between two buildings.
Yep.
That is a huge sound.
Yep,
Okay, so am I legitimately supposed to get out of here now?
I'll catch you.
Oh yeah. Oh, it has a wet butt.
You know what? That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me. On my tombstone, I want them to write, "He committed to the bit." Okay, I'm quite wet now.
Well, good thing because this side is a little more rainproof.
Oh, sick!
We got our 4v4 gaming setup.
Dude, the D-brand skins in the back
Looks so
look
good.
so cool.
Right?
This is crazy.
Do you wanna play a game?
Yes?
Yeah, while we're waiting for the games to load, I can show you what we're doing for our power solution. We have a Jackery Explorer 5000 here, which can output up to 7,200 freaking watts across its many breakers. And so we have two of them, one on each side, powering the whole thing. We came across one slight problem that when you're powering it and charging via AC, it only passes that through. It can't do battery and AC.
Right.
So when we're actually going full tilt, we're gonna have to rely on these 100%, unplug the AC and just go battery. This whole truck will be battery powered for just, like an hour?
Yeah, it should be able to last for a while.
We shot demo stuff yesterday for like 45 minutes and it was like 10% by the end of the night. Sorry, 10% gone. So like
Oh, so this would go for hours.
hours.
Okay, that's kind of sick.
Oh yeah, let's play.
This turned out like actually better than I could have possibly anticipated.
Thank you for your vote of confidence.
Which one am I?
You're green.
I'm green? Okay. Did you just hurt yourself?
Yeah.
Nice.
Crash your castle so
No!
freaking hard.
Ah! Ah! He's chasing me! Why is he doing this? No, not the kitty!
It's close. It's really close. Oh, crap. Oh!
GG. This is so freaking awesome!
Yeah. Final thing, and this is the one that's most risky in the rain. It's our DJ booth. We can show you the actual booth first.
Let's do that.
So down below, we have our minis form that's powering our whole DJ setup. We have a USB to DMX interface that goes and runs to all these lights. We will take the bags off now.
Should we get everyone out here first?
Yes. The other thing to show you here is that the levers do stuff.
I told you guys not to make the levers do stuff.
But the levers still do the original things they do.
Shut up.
And so they still work if we turn the pumps on and stuff, but it also works to control our lights. So best of both worlds.
Oh my gosh, that's insane. You guys saw this before, but the giant OLED Nintendo Switch 2 gaming setup in here is still working absolutely perfect. All that remains now is to go find some gamers to enjoy it with us. Gamer snacks, anyone?
Thank you, Linus.
No problem, no problem. There's Welch's. How can you say no to Welch's?
I'll take more. Thank you.
You know what's crazy? This is all on battery power right now.
Seriously?
All of this.
All the gaming, all the late show.
Yeah, that's really crazy.
2,000 watts? And it'll last for 2 hours like that.
Yeah.
That's sick. What else we got?
We've got 1,700 watts on this side.
2.5 hours we can do on this one too. That's crazy. Massive thank you to AMD for making the Gaming Firetruck happen. Never let your memes be dreams.
Oh, baby.
It only took us 10 months, but we did it. We fulfilled the promise we made on April Fool's, which was no fool.
No fool!
Hell yeah, man.
Yeah!
Oh, man. Now before any of this dies, let's get it undercover.
Just LTT things.